Hello, Bulldogs. I am thrilled to announce that the Chapel Hill Independent School District bond, which consisted of 3 propositions, has passed. We are extremely grateful to the voters in our community who have come together to invest in the future of the students and our schools.
The bond will allocate $113 million for critical safety and learning environment improvements throughout the district, which include a new junior high, a new career and technology education center, classroom additions at both Jackson and Wise Elementaries, a multi-purpose activity center, and a new operations facility. The mission of our district is to educate all children so that they can successfully compete in an ever-changing world, and these facility improvements will help us achieve that mission. The passing of the bond is a significant achievement for our school district, and we are committed to ensuring that these funds are used effectively and efficiently to meet the needs of our students and community.
We recognize that we have a responsibility to be transparent and accountable in how the funds are spent, and we will work hard to ensure the projects are completed on time and under budget. In an effort to keep the community up to date with the projects, we will do the following.
Provide regular updates on the district's bond website and social media channels in the form of videos, photo galleries, and news articles. We will continue to provide quarterly reports to the school board and community on the status of the bond projects. We will hold public meetings to discuss progress and receive feedback from the community. We will be available to the community for questions and concerns about the bond. And finally, we will host tours and open house events of the completed projects to allow the community to see the improvements firsthand.
These actions will help ensure that the community is kept informed and up to date about the bond projects, which is critical to maintaining transparency and accountability throughout the process.
Next, I would be remiss if I did not give a big thank you to several groups. First, we want to thank the voters in our community who showed their support for our schools and our students. See, we believe that the district's facilities represent the commitment that the community has to its children. The results of the election shows the trust the community has in our schools and their dedication to the students and staff.
We also want to thank everyone who played a role in making this bond a reality,
including our dedicated school board members, our community leaders, and our hardworking staff and students who supported this bond. In conclusion, we look forward to getting started on these important projects and continuing to provide our students with the high-quality education they so richly deserve. Thank you.